Why, hello, boys and girls. You all know me. I am Mr. Potato Head, and I am down here in Mexico in front of my hacienda. I was asked to come forward and introduce you to the following lesson. If you would, please pay close attention to your teacher and watch the video. Thank you. Gracias.
You're presently looking at Lesson AA, Picture Math. Now you'll notice that we provided for you problems 1, 2, 3, and 4, A, B, C, and D. Now each one, you'll notice, has a picture going across and also down. Now these pictures must add up to 2, 4, 3, 3, 1, and 5, and the same sequence below. However, what you must do is determine the value of the little emojis or pictures for each row. And determine that is very simple if you use logic. For example, here we have 1, 2, 3 of these faces, and they're equal to 3. If that's the case, then this must be equal to 1, 1, and 1. So over here to the right, you'll write the number 1. Now, if this is a 1 and this is a 1, that's equal to 2. So what must this be equal to? Well, it has to be a 0, because 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now, coming down here, you'll notice that we have 0 and 0 and 1. So that's correct. And here we have 1, and this is equal to 5. So if this is equal to 5 and that's a 1, then these must be equal to 2. 2 and 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And that's correct. Let's go across. Here we have a 1, a 0, and a 2. 2 and 3. 2 and 1 is equal to 3. And here we have 1, 2, and 2 more is equal to 4. Now, what we'd like to have you do here in a second is to pause the video, complete the rest of these, then continue playing the video, and we will provide you with the answer. If you would, please pause the video now. Thank you. Well, welcome back to this lesson, and let's see how well we did. First of all, you'll notice that we have these funny faces, and they equal 3, so each one must be equal to 1. So we place the number 1 there. Now, if this is 1, 1, and 1, here we have 1 and 1, that's 2, so this guy has to be 2 because it must be equal to 4. So we place the number 2 there. Okay? Now the last one we have is this one. If we have 1 and we have 2, that's 3, right? So this guy must be equal to 3. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6. And down here you'll notice over here we have 2 and 2 is 4 and 3 is 7. Okay, let's look at the next problem. Over here you'll notice that we have the 3 funny faces, and they are equal to 6. So this must be 2 and 2 and 2. So we place the number 2 here. Now, if those are equal to 2, right, and these are equal to, they must be equal to 1 because 2 and 1 is equal to 4. So we must place the number 1 there. So we have 2, 3, 4. Now, if these are equal to 1, we have 1 and 1 is 2. And this down here is 5. So if these are 2 and this is 5, then this one must be equal to 3. So here we have 3 and 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, let's go to the last one. And the last one, you'll notice we have these 3 faces, and they're all equal to 9. So we must have 3, 3, and 3. So we'll place the number 3 here. So if that's the case, using logic, here we have 3 and 3 is 6, and this is a 7. So this must be equal to a 1. And over here we have 1 and 3, 3, 4, and 5. And let's determine what this is then, okay? If this is a 3 and this is a 1, that's 4, and the answer is 6, so this must be equal to 2. Okay, hopefully by using logic, you got these all correct. We'd like to thank you for watching our video.
I'm That's all, folks.